My name is Jonathan from Academy of Mind, and in this video, I'm going to explain how you can turn your in-person training into online courses that can be taken on demand. Whether your company is remote, hybrid, or fully in person, when it comes to corporate training, employees prefer to train in a way that's convenient for them. Converting your in-person training into online courses is simple with a learning management system, aka an LMS. LMSs are a tool used for creating and managing e-learning, and using an LMS like Academy of Mind, you can create and sell training courses, host instructor-led training, both virtual and in person, and then manage it all in one place. Speaking of creating courses, you can create multiple choice quizzes, written assignments, and many other activities for your courses with the Academy of Mind LMS. You can also upload existing content like PowerPoints, documents, videos, and more to be included in your courses. The best part about uploading training materials to your LMS is when you combine these with activities that you created on the platform, like a quiz or a discussion board. Now your learners have an organized course that they can log into online to complete training. If your training is accredited using the Academy of Mind LMS, you can create certificates on the platform and award them automatically. You can also connect to accreditation and certificate software like CE Broker and Accredible if that's something your company uses. Online training is cost effective since courses are created one time and then learners can take them on demand indefinitely. Also, you don't have to pay an instructor every time training is completed. I'm not here to tell you to stop in-person training completely, just to help you understand that turning some of your in-person training into online courses is beneficial for your company and super easy to do with the Academy of Mind LMS. To learn more about how Academy of Mind can help you effectively train online, check us out at academyofmind.com.